We're out here in the boonies, almost literally, since we're close to Boone, North Carolina. Did a little camping last night. You've already seen that on Alexander's channel. Loading up, gonna have a little breakfast. It's just a random side of the road campsite.
Near Linville Gorge, right? Or no,
Linville Falls, yeah.
Tried sleeping outside with no tent last night, and I gotta say, it's paying off in the morning when I don't have to pack up a tent.
Yeah.
It's very sweet.
Just right there.
Yeah.
I'm too scared of that. It was nice having the enclosure.
I'll tell you, it wasn't that bad at all. I didn't, when you have, because it was cool enough that I wore the sleeping bag the whole night.
Yeah.
So no bugs crawling on you or anything. Yeah. The stars stayed out, it didn't rain. It was perfect opportunity to try it.
Awesome. Peanut butter and jelly rice cake sandwiches have been my breakfast and snacks over the past couple days. Basically torn through an entire jar of peanut butter pretty quickly.
Very good.
So the first thing on the agenda is to make it out of this road without high-siding Sheila.
And the first part is the sketchiest part too. We've got like a half hour of it.
We aren't out of the woods yet, but we decided to do a little detour and check out a waterfall.
Oh, real cool.
All right, back in the squat mobile. Let's finish this out. All right. Ba-ding. We got it. We made it to Boone. Yeehaw! We just checked into the Super 8 and it's pretty early, so we can actually get in the room, take a shower, get work done for quite a few hours.
Travel pro tip.
Yep, and then get out and go for a ride.
And then come back and get another sleep on a good bed.
Exactly, so full 24 hours of hanging out here, so that's awesome. Pilot Rock video is exporting. I'm on to my probably third peanut butter and jelly rice cake by now. I actually think this thing is worse than the McNuggets because it's all carbs and sugar versus that sweet, lean, white meat chicken, McDonald's chicken McNuggets. Okay, we're getting out of the hotel room after a few hours of work and heading to Rocky Knob.
Let's ride!
Okay, after a lot of messing around on the bikes, we're here at Rocky Knob Mountain Bike Park. Got JD with us, a little local action, local guide. I've been working on my cable management here for a little bit and just trying not to get so much slapping noises and all that stuff. I had 2 zip ties on, no idea where the other zip tie went, so I have to play with that. White's not the best, but I'll get something black on there. That Osprey pack is looking brand new. Yeah. Nice. Cool. All right. Howdy. Doing good, man. All right. Let's get to climbing.
Yeah, Brian, maybe Brian should be behind me.
I'm fine.
I'll be a while till I warm up.
This looks secret. That's cool. Super cool. Peanut butter and jelly rice cakes is not fucking a good meal. I'm going back to McDonald's. Not enough protein.
You live and die by the protein.
Cool.
Oh, I remember this section. It was fun.
Thanks.
We're going the right way? I have no idea.
Love the rocky stuff. Another one. Whew.
Yeah.
The trail ratings seem to be based on the Scoville scale. Wild, spicy, medium.
Yeah.
That's cool. There it is, the chili pepper system. Thank you. I'll follow you. Let's head up this skinny. That's a little tougher. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Bum, ba, bum, ba, bum. Momentum is your friend. Whew.
Yeah, boy, first time. Wow.
Whee! Haha. Cool.
Yeah.
Little bit of North Shore. Haha. Oh yeah. Oh, pain and pleasure. Oh yeah. I love those rocky climbs. Nice.
Oh, I bet. Looks good though.
Straight through. Not feeling very strong today. Nice. Oh, these switchbacks are the real deal. Old hoss. Sweet.
And yeah, it really is well built, isn't it? You know, with all the wood features and
Yeah.
very purpose-built rock gardens just scattered throughout the climb. It makes it interesting.
A lot of people complain, like, I can't believe they put all these rocks in the trail to build features, and like, for people who came out here and build this, like, no, it's already there. That's just how much rock's out here. I mean,
Yeah.
look around, it's just,
Rock
He
everywhere.
loves this stuff.
Yeah, I do. I love
that's why I
it.
said, you gotta go to Massanutten. This place is rocky, but Massanutten like makes Rocky Knob look like out in the woods.
Smooth knob. So JD was just saying that they're out here doing trail work every Thursday.
Yeah, Dirty Thursday.
Dirty Thursdays. Hang out, do some trail work. I can tell this friggin' trail system is really nice.
And this is probably incredibly well ridden, right? Like a lot of people here every day.
Yeah, we're trying to work on building up how many people come by, making that lower half easier. And
Yes.
trying to get rid of the fact that everyone thinks it's super hard.
Yes, that's the hardest thing of like having that whole progression. I think when you first build something like this, it has to kind of be hard just for people to like show up, but then you need to like build it down so
you need,
people
like, the
can,
awe factor,
yeah, there's
right?
all this different bits and pieces.
We got green to black now.
Pretty solid.
Okay, I think I'm good. Yeah, let's go for it.
Ready to bomb some shit?
Ooh.
No knee pad day. We good?
Yep.
We're trying to bring mine. Never hit him, but it only takes one.
Yep. Oh, rock garden. Nice burn. Into a drop. That was the line on the left right there. Bam! Good stuff. That was a good little spot here. Rock gardening. Woo-hoo. That's cool. Those are cool. Cool rock garden. smooth dirt now. Oh yeah. Haha. That was cool. Oh. Nice. Now we're rocking. Ooh, the rock gardens. Dig those rock gardens. Good mix of pedaling and fun stuff. My kind of cross country. I'll tell you that much. Oh. Woo-hoo. Picking up rocks. God damn. Max's minion, aka Rock Scooper. Cool.
Wicked. Now we get to do PB&J.
Peanut butter and jelly? Or pump firm jump out.
Woo! That was fun. I like it.
That's cool with you.
Yeah. No, you guys will be gone.
You'll be the funnest to watch because I just ride jumps like serious. I'm up like,
That's fine. Lead the way. I'll give you some space and Brian can follow right behind me.
Yeah.
It's a slower line because it's mostly jumps, Brian. It's not like haul ass. So like every time I hit a jump, I'll lose speed.
PBJ.
PB&J! This is your freaking trail, Brian.
Never again. Damn. Rocks. That was cool, actually. Workout. Tricky. All right. That was good stuff. Whew. Thanks for the guiding, dude. I just looked at the mileage and it was only 7.7 miles, and that kicked my ass. Just not feeling good right now. Big time. So we're gonna go head to Appalachian Mountain Brewery, something like that.
Yeah.
JD's gonna show us what they got.
Told us that we can come crash at her place in the van while we're in Chattanooga. I'm so excited.
That brewery was really cool, Appalachian Mountain Brewing, and haven't been feeling so good. So what better thing?
Good music.
What better thing than 20 fresh nuggets?
I knew they were fresh.
When you don't feel that good. We'll see. Those McNuggets are settling in. I'm up to 115 now on the trip, and old Chucklefuck here is working on an Ingles sub. I think we're gonna do a live stream here in about an hour, and
Live stream like an hour.
big time. We're into it. So thanks for watching, you guys. Tomorrow, single track sampler, Wind Rock Bike Park.
We're gonna beat down.
Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the trail.